Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Follow what you love, and it will take you where you want to go. Natalie Goldberg. It's a fact. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow up 241 points, NASDAQ up 58, S&P's up 26.50, gold contract up $9, trading at $1,103 an ounce. Silver up 39 cents at $15.22 an ounce. Copper up 5.5 pennies at $2.39 a pound. Light sweet crude up 91 at $44.78 a barrel. Platinum up 23 bucks at $9.87. Oil's up 92 at 44.72. 10-year bond down 12 ticks, 127.02. 30-year is down 1 point and 20 ticks, 156.29. Both the 10 and the 30 folks are pulling back with lighter volume. They look like they're building cause for higher price. King dollar. King dollar is the news, folks. King dollar had failed to take out a swing point last week. Today, down 404 ticks. We're at 97.21. Bottom line, looks like King dollar wants to go after the June 18th swing low, which is the 93.40 to 93.30 rather to 94.40 area. Euro up 52 at 110, and the yen up 33 at 124.57. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. If we go to the world of the S&P, let's take a look at it. What do you have? We take a look at the SPY. SPY bottom line got over the highs of the downdraft last Thursday. What I suspect she's going to go after, she's going to go after the Wednesday high where it gave it up. We did 76 million shares, which is anemic. Even when it gave it up last Wednesday, folks, the high out there was 211.31. We did 85 million shares and we gave it up. We did 76 million shares out here today. Didn't give it up in price, though. That's saying that price is gamed to 211.31. NDX 100, different ballgame. The Qs, what we have with the Qs have a long way to go just to get to the highs of Thursday. The Qs traded up 120 today. We're at 111.51. You did 19 million shares. You're going against 42 million, and it hasn't even got to the price yet. I suspect that the Qs are not going to do it, even get to the price. This is going to be intriguing watching this shake out, though. The IWM, the small caps, what we have with the small caps, if we use the IWM, which is the ETF structure, that was up $1.42, 26 million shares, also going against 42 million. So the small caps and the NDX 100, both of those are showing the weakness that is inside the marketplace. We get into the Dow Industrial. So now let's take a look at the Dow. The Dow, so percentage-wise, this is what we did out here. The Dow was up 1.3%, S&P's was up 1.2%, the NASDAQ Composite was up 1.1%. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, you know, the Dow had come down. Let's see. The Dow had come down. The Dow had come down the most off of those highs. Bottom line is that you did get the bounce. This bounce was on, let's see, 800 million shares. You know, so the correlation, you know, the Dow Industrials when it was high to low, we went from 18,350 down to 17,279. So you get down $1,000. It has a price spread out here today. Certainly doesn't have the volume with it. So we'll see how the Dow also is going to try to attack the 783 area, and right now we're at the 615 area. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at the gold contract. Okay, so what do we have out here with gold? Gold today, you had the price spread. You had juice come into the price spread. Volume expanded. You did 142,000 contracts. You went from a price point of 1089 up to 1108. You're at 1103 right now. Gold looks like it's going to go make that run to 1133, and I expect you're going to see that pretty quickly. See, there's nothing in the middle between 1133, folks, and the 1083 area. The reason being is that when gold got smoked on the 20th of July, that's exactly where we went. We went from 1133, bang, nonstop down to 1083, took everything out. We've been building cause for almost 2.5 weeks. You had the juice come in. Silver, even more intense. You know, the silver is actually, and I always like this when this happens, so let's pull up the silver contract for a second. Yes. What you're going to see in silver is that silver had the wide price spread, had the accelerated volume, you know, got off this bottom really nice. Silver was up 40 cents at the close. We're up as high as 50 cents. You did 55,000 contracts. That's saying silver is going to be the first to get up into this 1571 area. You get the 1571, bottom line is that that's saying game for silver would be 1771. What silver did do today is that it broke the downtrend that it has been in play. Well, there's downtrends, larger downtrends that have been in place for a long period of time. But what silver did out here today is that it broke the downtrend that has been in place since May 18th, when we went from $17.80 and the silver contract down to $14.30. You know, and we broke it with the wide price spread, with accelerated volume. That says your probability that we get to the high of that, you know, goes up and goes up a good amount. King dollar, we go take a look at King dollar. King dollar, bottom line, that's where the failure came in. And King dollar looks like it wants not only lower price, but I expect what we're going to see more than like, well, we'll find out. If you get an expansion of volume when King dollar goes south, you know, tomorrow, then we got action big time. Because the lowest swing point on King dollar is 96.36, which is only 800 ticks away from where we are. You break that swing point, that's 48,000. You break that swing point with volume, we're going to be down into that 94.40 area, and we'll be into that area very quickly. Some of the high-volume stocks out here in this market, let's go take a look at them and see what we have. It's a low-volume market, by the way. You had Apple up $4.17. Well, here, watch this. Inside the NDX 100, they were all dead cat bounces. AFCO, AVGO up 473. AMAT was up 62. Apple was up 420. Each one of those, folks, dead cat bounce extraordinaire. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials up 241. Had the NASDAQ up 58. S&P's up 26. We're going to be right back.